Hey learners, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start with our new session of problem solving using Python. I'm sure you all are enjoying this problem solutions, isn't it? Please do comment, do like the video, do watch it till the end. Let's start with problem number 30 because in the last session we had stopped with problem number 29. Now, before starting with problem number 30, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it by clicking on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications timely. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start with problem number 30. Okay, I'm sure you guys are trying this all questions on your machine. If you're facing problem, please do contact me. If you want the solutions of all these problems, I'll sure mail you. Please put a request in the mail. Okay, let's start with problem number 30. Now in problem 30, we have to accept a single digit from the user and we have to display it in words. Okay, very simple question. Single digit we have to accept and we have to just match it with 0 to 9. If it is 0, we'll display ZERO in word. If it is 1, we will display ONE1. And if it is not between 0 to 9, then give appropriate error message. Okay, so let's try it by using if else, multiple if else, because currently we are solving all the problems based on if else. Okay, now in the last session we had reached till problem number 29. Let's quickly create another file, new file. I'll give name to it as proc30. Okay, we have to accept one single digit from the user. Int input enter single digit. In bracket I'll give 0-9 just as a prompt message to the user. Now if this n is 0, we are going to display 0, ZERO. Getting? ELF n is 1, we will display 1. Okay, there can be many other compact solutions for this, but as we are solving all the problems using control structure if else, so we will try it using if else only. Okay, so I'll do copy paste at appropriate place. I'll make the changes. N equal to 2, I'll write here word 2. N equal to 3, I'll write 3. Okay, N equal to 4, I'll make change 4. Quickly, I'll make the appropriate changes in all the if else. Seven, 8, coming to 9, 9, and finally I'll give message invalid input or invalid digit. Okay guys, let's quickly run this. See here, when we will run it, it will ask for a single digit. Like suppose I'm giving 6. Is it printing SIX? Again you run it, give some other input, like I'm giving 4, it's printing 4. And if I give something other than 0 to 9, suppose I'm giving 45, is it giving invalid input? Yes. Okay, now what we have to do is move to the next problem. So this was very simple question, isn't it? Please try it, please do it in your machines. Okay, moving on to problem number 31. Right guys, see, problem number 31 is write a program which accepts two integers and an operator as a character. Now that operator is going to be plus, minus, multiplication or division, any of these 4. Okay, so we have to accept two integers and this operator. And based on the operator, you have to perform the appropriate operation and display the result. Okay guys, so if the operator given is plus, then you have to add that two numbers and display the result. If it is minus, subtract that two numbers and display the result. Okay, let's quickly move to PyCharm, create another file. Okay, program number 31. First two inputs I'll accept. I'll give name as A int input, enter first number, B int input, enter second number. Okay? Then we will accept an operator also, right, which will be a character. I'll give message as enter operator. In bracket I'll give the sign plus, minus, multiplication, division, just as a prompt to the user. Now based on that operator, we have to perform operations. So we will do if else comparison. If OP double equal to plus, then we have to display like this: addition of A and B is A plus B. Getting guys? ELF OP double equal to minus, then we will display subtraction. So I'm going to use the same print, appropriate changes I'll do. Subtraction of A and B is A minus B. Okay, then we will go for another else if, where we will check multiplication and we will give message like this: multiplication of A and B is A into B. Then we will check, again I'll do copy paste, appropriate copy paste, OP equal to division, and then division of A and B is A divided by B. Okay, and else we'll give message as invalid operator comma ch. Can we display that? Yes. So now what we have done is we have accepted two inputs and an operator from this 4, and then we are comparing whether the operator is plus, then we are displaying A plus B. If it is minus, we are displaying A minus B. Multiplication, we are doing A into B. Division, we are doing A divided by B. And if it is none of this, we are giving a final message as invalid operator. And our operator variable is OP, so I'll do the appropriate change. We will run this by giving some sample input. I'm giving 45, I'm giving 23, I'm giving operator as plus. Is it displaying addition of 45 and 23 is 68. Try giving some other sample input, like I'm giving 56, I'm giving 2, I'm giving operator division. Okay, so it will divide 56 by 2 and give the answer. See here, division of 56 and 2 is 28. Try giving some other input, 67, 4, but here I am giving some weird operator, at the rate. The at the rate is not a legal operator, therefore the message comes invalid operator. Okay, that simple the problem is, isn't it? Please try it in your machines. Okay, do give me the response by typing in the comment box. Coming to problem number 32. Okay, let's see what is there in problem number 32. See here, we have to accept two numbers in variable x and y from the user, and we have to perform following operations. Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to accept two numbers from the user, and then we will display one menu. We'll create a menu in which first option is equality. We have to check whether x and y are equal. Second option is less than, in which we have to check whether x is less than y. Then quotient and remainder, choice number 3. We have to print the quotient and the remainder. Choice number 4, accept one more value and check whether that value is between x and y. And last, fifth option is swap. Okay, where we have to interchange the value of x and y. Okay guys, okay? So let's quickly solve this. This is a simple menu driven program with use of if else also, as well as we have to display the menu. Okay, coming to PyCharm, we'll create another file. See here, prog 32. Okay, first thing we have to accept two integers in x and y. Input, enter first number, y equal to int, input, enter second number. Now these two inputs I am giving. Okay, then we are going to display one prompt in which we will be accepting choice. See here, input, and then I'm going to create menu like this. First option is equality, right? Second option, I'll put a new line there, less than. Third option is quotient and remainder. Fourth option, I'm going to give range. And fifth option is going to be swap. Okay? And after that, I'll give message, enter choice 1-5. Okay? Cool. Okay? So this is going to be a prompt. Choice 1, equality, less than, quotient and remainder, range, swap, and enter your choice. And that choice, whatever you will enter, will come in ch. Okay? Now if you want that ch to be an integer, convert this whole thing to integer. Now what we will do is, we will check what that ch is. If it is 1, then we have to check whether x is less than y. No, whether x and y are equal. Equality, x double equal to y. Yes, print message, x is equal to y. Otherwise, give a message, print x is not equal to y. Okay, now this if else is over. This if else is in choice 1. Now coming back to the outer if else, elif if choice is 2, in which we have to check whether x is less than y. Then give the message, print x is less than y. Else we will display print x is not less than y. Okay, now coming back again to the outer if else, continuing with choice number 3. Now in choice number 3, what we have to do is print quotient and the remainder. So we will just display the quotient and we will display the remainder. See here, quotient equal to, okay, comma, and quotient we will print as x /y. Don't use single slash. Okay, single slash is float division, double slash is floor division. Okay, and if you are not aware of it, please watch all the basic Python videos. In the appropriate first chapter operator topic, you'll see the explanation of it. Okay, So if you haven't watched it, please watch those videos as well. Okay, and the remainder is going to be x mod y. Coming to outer if else, choice equal to 4. Now in choice 4, we have to check whether the third number is between these two. So in that we have to accept one more number, integer, okay, input, enter number, enter third number. Right guys? Okay, now we have to just check whether z is between x and y. Right? Now how to check? In the previous programs also we have seen in the previous episodes, we can use chain operation. See here, x less than equal to z less than equal to y. Can I use such chain operation? Yes. Okay, so x less than equal to z less than equal to y. It indicates that z is greater than x and z is less than y. So it lies in between. So we will give message z is between comma x and y. Else we'll give message print z is not between x and y. Okay guys, now this part is also done. Now coming to the last option, ELF choice number 5, where we have to swap it. Okay, so first we will display the values before swap. See here, before swap x equal to comma x, okay, and then I'll put a space and y equal to comma y. It will display the value before swap. Now how to do swap? It's very simple in Python. Just write x comma y equal to y comma x. Actually in the right side what we have written y comma x, first it creates a tuple of that two values y comma x, and then that tuple is unpacked in x comma y. Now we will display after swap x and y. Clear? And if the choice given by user is none of this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, can we print invalid choice comma ch. Okay, now let's run this for different inputs. Okay, okay, see here guys. Now if I give input as 25 and the second input as 13, then the menu comes. Okay, now when we printed this menu, let's check. By mistake only slash I didn't put slash n. I'll terminate this program and I'll again run for you guys. See, I'll give input as 23, second number as 12. Now the menu come. First we'll check equality. Is it equal? No. See, 23 is not equal to 12. I'm running it for some other input, like I'm giving 45 and I'm giving 60, and I'm checking whether it is less than. Okay, so is it less than? Yes, 45 is less than 60. Let's run it for some other input, like I'm giving 20, I'm giving 30, and then I'm trying to check the range 4. So suppose I give 25. So is 25 between 20 and 30? Yes. So it gives message 25 is between 20 and 30. Suppose I'm giving input as 23, another input as 12, and we are checking quotient and the remainder. You can check 23 divided by 12, quotient is 1 and the remainder is 11. Okay, and try to give input for swapping 45, 60 I am giving, choice number 5 I am giving, and can you see before swap and after swap? Are the values swapped? Yes. Okay guys, I hope you have understood it. Is it clear? Try doing it. Try to give different test input for this. Okay. Now for today, we will stop at this problem only, problem number 32. In the next session, we will continue with problem number 33. I'm sure you all are enjoying all these problems. Right guys? Okay, so for today we'll stop. Thank you all of you. Please take care and keep learning, keep evolving.